Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the survey based reports of pavement layer layout. The pavement layer, which is like asphalt and aggregate and subgrade layers, which is we are working for the surveyor. They need to get the reports, which is levels, design levels. We can get it from the Road Solver. Now first this pavement levels, layout levels report. So this is a sample diagram which is showing the subgrade first layer of the levels. So from the center there is each stakeout points every 3 meter, so that will be calculated like that. So first one, they generate the pavement layout levels using pavement templates. These points will be calculated based on the user templates. Then second one, as per the user based intervals and stakeout distance. The intervals should be from user selection only. Direct you can get it 10 meter or 12 meter or 12.5 or 20 meter, whatever user required, you can use it that interval distance stations. And then stakeout distance between the 2 points, that is 3 meter or 2.5, whatever user like, so you can create it. So the output file will be direct print, an Excel file and PDF file and text file formats. Now this is a panel for the printout for the pavement layout. There is a select the template, after that description, then station intervals, then interval for the road, then requested distance between 2 points. So the first one, this is station intervals as per the user convenience. You can put it 25 or 10 or 12.5, whatever it is. And the stakeout distance also between 2 points. These are also user selections. So just go to the report. From the report, the construction to select the pavement layers. So there is already template which is selected. So then again I write this subgrade first layer. This is for printout report title this one. So I can give the interval 12.5 meter. The distance between the 2 points is 2.5. So I keep that selection only 1000 meter for the sample. So first I will print it as a PDF. Now the report will be generated. So you can see that every from the center to 2.55 meters, 1.5, 10 meter, then this is slope stick point, that is which is coming from the slope 6:1, something like that. So everything will be appear here by the PDF file. So you can print it from the Excel file. So I keep it in the desktop. See pavement layer. So save. So file to be saved. So you can get it from this Excel. So now this here you can get it by the station, northing, easting and distance and elevation. Like this format you can get it from the Excel file. Okay. Now same like that you can get it in the survey file also. This we can use it as in total station or GPS directly, you can use it. The survey file will be created in the text file format. So that will be also serial number, northing, easting, elevation, and there is a description which is coming the station with a left or right or something like that. This is a method which we are calculating the pavement layout levels using the Road Solver program. Thank you.